Once we researched how infrared thermometers work, we looked into the ways that people use them. Amazon reviews were enlightening, as there were not as many people who use an IR thermometer in the kitchen as we thought. There are many infrared thermometers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best infrared thermometers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Analogic Infrared Thermometer. The analogic infrared thermometer is a versatile and precise tool designed for a wide range of applications, from cooking to home maintenance and automotive diagnostics. With its adjustable emissivity feature, this thermometer offers exceptional accuracy across various surfaces and materials. It's particularly useful for culinary enthusiasts, allowing precise temperature control for pizza ovens, grills, and even specialized cooking methods like using Himalayan salt blocks. One of the standout features of this thermometer is its ability to save users significant amounts on home and car repairs. It excels in identifying insulation gaps, air leaks, and various temperature-related issues in HVAC systems, windows, and doorways. For automotive use, it's invaluable in checking cooling systems, catalytic converters, brakes, and tires. In the kitchen, the monologic thermometer shines as an instant read device for safely testing hot foods, reheated baby food, and frying oils. Its scan mode and high alarm setting make it particularly useful for maintaining consistent cooking temperatures and preventing oil from reaching its smoke point. Number 2. Thermopro Infrared Thermometer. We tested the Thermopro TP30, and it proved to be nearly as accurate as the analogic thermometer. It has a 12:1 distance to spot ratio and can measure temperatures from -58 to -1022, which is slightly less than monologic but substantially higher than the other thermometers we tested. The Thermopro tested best with measuring the freezer temperature in the four corners of the grill, which was pretty much spot on. Ice water measured at 33.3 and the refrigerator at 41, both of which fall within its 1.5% accuracy range. The Thermopro has the same features as the monologic thermometer and also has an easy-to-read screen with a yellow backlight. We also like the Thermopro's ergonomic design. It fits easily into the palm of the hand, so your forefinger automatically makes contact with the trigger. The Thermopro does not emit a red target light, which we prefer, but that's a minor complaint for this very affordable infrared thermometer. Number 3. Kizun Infrared Thermometer Gun. The Kizun Infrared Thermometer Gun is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for a wide range of temperature measurement applications. With its impressive temperature range of 58 to 1112, this tool is suitable for both household and industrial use. The adjustable emissivity from 0.1 to 1.0 ensures accurate readings across various surfaces and conditions, making it adaptable to different scenarios. Operating this thermometer is straightforward. Simply aim, hold the trigger, and release it to obtain instant temperature readings. For optimal accuracy, it's recommended to maintain a distance of 14 inches from the target object. The large, backlit LCD screen is a notable feature, allowing for easy reading even in low-light conditions. This thermometer gun excels in diverse applications, from checking oven temperatures for cooking to assisting with HVAC projects and measuring engine temperatures. Number 4. Etexity Infrared Thermometer. The Etexity Infrared Thermometer is a versatile tool designed for accurate temperature measurements of inanimate objects. The 12:1 distance to spot ratio allows for safe, remote measurements, with optimal accuracy achieved at a distance of about 14 inches. One standout feature is the adjustable emissivity, ranging from 0.1 to 1.0, which enhances measurement accuracy across different surface types. The dual laser technology sets this thermometer apart, providing faster and more precise readings compared to single laser models. The large LCD screen ensures easy visibility, even in low-light conditions. Additional functionalities include the ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, maximum measurement hold, and automatic data hold. The device also boasts practical features like a low battery indicator and auto-off function to conserve power. It's important to note that this thermometer is not suitable for measuring human or animal temperatures, as it's specifically designed for inanimate objects. Number 5. Mestec Infrared Thermometer Gun. The Mestec Infrared Thermometer Gun is a versatile and precise tool for various temperature measurement needs. Its non-contact laser measurement capability, coupled with a K-probe for contact measurements, ensures accuracy in diverse situations. The 13-point laser guidance system and adjustable emissivity enhance its precision, making it suitable for both professional and household use. One of the standout features is its ability to simultaneously display ambient temperature, humidity, dew point, and surface temperatures. This comprehensive data set is invaluable for tasks ranging from food preparation to industrial applications. The thermometer's wide temperature range and rapid response time make it adaptable to various scenarios. Its HD color display with backlight ensures clear readings in low light conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.